In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to check your grade in Attack on Titan Revolution. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can easily check your current grade in Attack on Titan Revolution, and I'm gonna give you instructions on how to improve it. So as you might be aware, when you click on play and you go over to missions, for example, you will be able to choose from any of the available maps, and you can switch the difficulty. But you will notice that as soon as you switch it to higher grades or difficulties, you will not be allowed to create a room. So right now, because my character is a newbie, I can only access E- grade. So how do we improve this, and how are we able to actually go into the higher difficulties? To do this, you will need to change your equipment. So switch over to the equipment window, and in here at the top, you will be able to find your current grade. So right now, my grade is E-. So what I have to do is upgrade my ODM. So I just go over here and I click upgrade. Now, of course, I don't have the materials, but if you did have the materials or the gold necessary to upgrade it, your grade would go up. And then if you were to go back into Gear Up, play missions, you would be able to switch the difficulty. So to answer the question, for you to check your grade, all that you have to do is go over to your equipment and you will be able to upgrade everything in here. Of course, you shouldn't upgrade only this weapon here, your ODM. You should also go ahead and equip items in all of these slots that you can see. By equipping artifacts, perks, and doing prestige, you will be able to improve all of your skills. So it's important that you do a combination of everything. You will be able to see everything that you have on your inventory, and by upgrading your ODM from this window, you will be able to improve your grade and upgrade all of your equipment. So upgrade everything that you can see here, and afterwards you will be able to go into the higher grades or higher difficulty missions. I hope I was able to help you on how to check your grade in Attack on Titan Revolution. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching!